Right, here's the question then. Parts A, B and C. So I've got it summarized here. First of all, given this as a factor, show that A equals minus 9. So let's look at that then. So x minus 3 is a factor. So f of 3 will be 0. And f of 3 is equal to, put 3 in here, 3 cubed is 27. So that's 54. 3 squared is 9, 5 nines are 45. A times 3 is just 3a plus 18, and as we said that equals 0. So 55 minus 45, 9 plus 18 is 27 equals 0. So that tells us that 3a equals minus 27, and divide by the 3 and we get a equals minus 9, doesn't it? Okay, that's part A. Factorize f of x completely then. So B, well, we know x minus 3 is a factor, but we don't know the other factor. So I'm going to still call it ax squared plus bx plus c, because this is customary in this next part of the problem, because we now worked out the former value of a, didn't we? So it's 2x cubed, wasn't it? Minus 5x squared minus 9x plus 18 is our f of x, which is here. That was minus 9, wasn't it? Plus 18 at the end. So we've got that then. Okay, so what will a be? Well, we can see equating x cubes both sides. There's going to be a lots of x cubed gives a equals then x cubed on this side is 2. And then we'll equate constants next. That's the next easiest thing to do. Minus 3c on this side is equal to 18 that side. C is equal to 18 over minus 3, which is minus 6. So that's fine. Now we need b, and we can get it from the x or the x squareds, can't we? So let's do the x's then. Doesn't make much difference, does it? So x times c, so we get cx, and then minus 3b. So the x term comes from here, cx, minus 3b is the other x term, and on this side we've got minus 9. So that tells us that 3b then, move the 3b over there, leave the c where it is, and move the minus 9 to be with it, plus 9. Minus 6 plus 9 is 3, so that tells us that b equals 1, which is what we've got there. So fx then is equal to x minus 3. Ax squareds, now it's 2x squareds, minus plus 1 plus x, and then c is minus 6, isn't it? A, b, and c. And we're factorizing it, aren't we? So, okay. So this equals then x minus 3. And this is 2x and x. It has to be when we factorize this quadratic. 6 ones or 3 2's. Because the difference is 1, I reckon it's 3 2's. That would be a 2 and that would be a 3. This is plus, so the bigger would be plus, and that would be minus. So let's just check it. 2x squared plus 4 minus 3, lots of x, which is 1. Minus times plus is minus 3 2's is 6, so that's fine. Okay, that's part B done then. Now part C. Find the value of y that satisfies gy equals 0 to 2dp. Gy is equal to this, which is the same as what we've got before. This is 3. If we do power rule, we'll see that. So here for part C, using properties of indices, g of y is equal to it was 2 times this, 3 to the 3y. So it's 2 times 3 to the y cubed. That's still power u times, so that's 3 to the 3y. Next term is minus 5 times 3 to the 2y. Minus 5 times 3 to the 2y, which we can write like that, power u times. The next term, minus 9 times 3y plus 18. Minus 9 times 3y plus 18, which is equal to f of 3 to the power y, which is equal to, now we put that in for the x value, don't we? Because that's the same in form. If we have the function rule here for 3y, and that's the rule, so we can put 3y in here, can't we? So we get this. 2 to the 3y minus 3, and 3 to the y plus 2 equals 0. So I put in these factors here. X is 3y there, x is 3y there, and x is 3y there. Which implies, well, this solution, 3 to the y equals 3. This one would be 3 to the y is equal to, would need to equal 3 over 2. And this one would be 3 to the y equals minus 2. Okay, so what have we got then? Y equals 1 is this one, isn't it? You can just read that off. Yeah, here. This one, y would equal, write this in logarithmic form, so the 3 swings down to become the base of the log of the number here. So that's all that happens. The 3 swings down to be the base number, and the y drops down to ground level. This one, no solutions, because you can't get a power equaling a minus, can you? So, i.e., that is y is equal to 1 or y is equal to, so let's type that in the calculator then, log 3 of 1.5 or 3 over 2 to 3 dp, 0.369. 0.369. Now let me just check if it was 2 or 3 dp. Let's go back up 2 dp, so that would be 3.7, wouldn't it?